Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Cleona Good. It's been a while. But you know, I still doing my YouTube. You know, just don't have the time sometimes to do it all the time. You know, but thanks for my new subscribers. I see you guys. Thank you so much, and thank you for my day one supporters also. So today on my channel, guys, I'm going to be doing a simple, easy, delicious cocktail that I love, Pina Colada. So these are my ingredients. I have Coco Lopez here, need that. And I have some frozen pineapple that I'm going to use also. Pineapple juice. I have rum here. And I have a little Malibu coconut rum as well that I'm going to put in mine. You don't have to do it. You can do pina colada too without any alcohol. So this is the Bacardi. So it's here that I put in here. Right. So guys, I have my ice here too. This helps to get it, you know, kind of like more on the like a slushy side. You know, you can drink this any time of the year, but especially on a hot day like now in New York, oh God, you need something like this, man, for me. So I'm gonna be using 2 ounces of white rum. This is my Bacardi here. And 4 ounces of pineapple juice. And I have 3 ounces of my Coco Lopez coconut, cream of coconut. This is one you need, cream of coconut, okay? Not the one that you cook with, the rice and peas with. You don't need that one. And also, guys, you're using the Bacardi, so you don't have to use the Malibu with it if you don't want to, but I'm putting some in mine. Okay? Frozen pineapple in. My ice in. And I'm going to cover it now, and I'm going to blend. So you see, guys, it's easy. 1, 2, 3, done already. I'm going to serve it in my glass now. So guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See that nice thickish texture? Not overly thick, just nice enough. Good consistency here. So there it is, guys. It's all done. 1, 2, 3. Easy. My Pina Colada. I'm gonna taste it. Tastes very nice. Very nice, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Keep safe, and please drink a lot of water. This is a very hot time. You don't want to be dehydrated. All right, bye bye.